With this makeup, we're able to tie 3 geles and they came out beautiful. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys. And I'll be dropping tutorials on how I was able to achieve all this very soon, so please stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another makeup and gele transformation, and here with me today is my beautiful model Faith, and we'll be doing a makeup and gele transformation. I'm applying Cetaphil moisturizer on her face with a staple brush. I'm just going to quickly apply this generously on her face. I'm also going to go in with Mehron Skin Prep. This is to keep her face dry throughout the event. I'm going to go in with my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. I'm just quickly going to apply this on her face. I'm also going to go in with Zaron Face Primer. I'm going to apply this on areas in which she can easily sweat, underneath her eyes, her jaw and her forehead, and this will also help to keep the makeup, it will help to make the makeup last for longer hours. For foundation today, in order to get her skin shade, I used 2 types of foundation. The first was from Nuban Beauty in the shade W7, and I also went in with Maybelline Fit Me 360. I'm just going to blend that into her skin. For concealing, I'm going to go in with Flawless Ivy concealer on her skin. For blending, I'll be using a beauty blender to tap the concealer into her skin. I'm not going to drag it at all, but I'm going to just tap it into her skin. And also for her contour, I'm using my contour classic palette, my classic contour palette on her cheekbone areas. I'm just going to quickly do her eyebrows off camera. After doing that, I'm also going to go in with my classic powder palette. This is to keep her face dry throughout the event. So guys, I'm going to bake with my Benyen setting powder. I'm just going to apply this on her face, then leave it to bake for about 5 minutes before I dust everything off. So at this point, I'm going to wipe off the excess powder that I have on her face. I want my makeup to be neat throughout the whole process, so I'm just going to wipe everything off. I'm going in with my Benyen eyeshadow primer. I so much love this primer. It doesn't crease at all, and I've been using it for some time now, and it's been beautiful. I'm going to also go in with my yellow shade of eyeshadow from Jordan Hill. This is from Jordan Hill palette. I'm just going to apply that on her crease area. I want a soft eyeshadow today on her face, so I'm just going to apply soft colors on her face. And this pink shade that I'm applying right now is from Ice Cream Eyeshadow Palette. I'm still going to pick up my Jordan Hill palette and apply a silver color on her face, on her eyes, I mean. Then apply a little bit of purple at this point, and I'll be doing this on the both eyes. So guys, I'm lining her eyes with an eyeliner, and this is from dermacool waterproof eyeliner. I'm going to line her both eyes, and I'm also quickly going to do everything that concerns the eyes off camera because I don't want this tutorial to be boring, because we're still going to tie her gele. So I'm quickly going to do everything that concerns the eyes off camera. And at this point, I'm going to wipe off the setting powder from her face. It's over 5 minutes now. So once you're done doing that, apply your blush on her cheekbone area. Just apply that generously on her cheekbone area. I'm also going to go in with my highlighter. Look at how beautiful that is. So beautiful. Just going in with your highlighter, and also apply that on her nose. My model is so beautiful, like so beautiful, guys. So I'm going to line her lips with this brown shade, this brown color, and this is from Paulin. I'm also, because I want the whole look to be calm, to be nude and nice, I'm also going to apply a nude lip stain, and this is from Hedy Beauty. I'm going to blend that into her lips. So guys, because I didn't want this whole look to be matte throughout, I had to go in with a lip gloss on her lip. So at this point, I'm going to apply my Nia illuminating setting spray on her face so that her face glows, and also my Kiss Beauty setting spray. Look at how beautiful it came out. So beautiful with a wig on. So we're quickly going to move over to the gele aspect. I'm going to fold the edges of my gele first. You know how we do it already, guys. Fold the edges of your gele first and then make pleats. The rule for this gele tutorial today is 80-20. One hand of your gele has to really be smaller than the other hand of your gele. So at this point, I'm going to trace the pleats down towards her neck area on the right hand side and also on the left hand side. From the video, you can see that one hand of the gele is really longer than the other hand of the gele. The 20 part of the gele is what she is holding right now, while the 80 part of the gele is what I am holding right now. So I'm quickly going to make pleats. When tying this kind of gele, is usually not easy because this particular gele is as hard. This particular gele is so hard, so it's usually not easy, but I'll advise you to use a softer aso'oke material. I usually prefer to use an aso'oke material without these holes in it. I don't know why. I feel like the beauty comes out more when you use a plain aso'oke, but it all depends on the individual. Though I do believe that there are some other persons out there that love to use this kind of material, but nevertheless it was what I had at the time and I wanted something different, so I had to use this. Just in case you have any questions concerning the makeup that we've done, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section and I'll be there to reply to all your comments, guys. So at this point, guys, I'm just arranging the pleats so that everything comes out beautiful. Guys, once you're done with the 80 parts of the gele, twist it to the back and then bring the 20 parts of the gele, just bring it to the front, place it on top of the 80 parts of the gele, the way you can see me doing this video, and then pin everything right there. That will serve as a barrier for the 80 parts of the gele not to unravel or fall off. So I'm picking up the remaining 80 parts of the gele. I'm just going to make a small rose at the front and I'm going to secure everything right there with pins. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. The makeup, the gele transformation, if it has, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section, guys. Please don't forget to turn on your notification buttons so that each time I post you get the notification and you'll be the first to know. I love you guys so much. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.